Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable or disable the OTP or one-time password setting within Sensei. When you send your contracts for signatures, your customers may or may not be dealing with Sensei's OTP password, right? So this is going to show you how you can enable it or disable it based off of what your specifications are for your company. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our top right-hand corner and we are going to click Settings. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to click My Profile at the top left-hand corner. It's really an easy way to get to a list of all of your settings. It's something that I prefer to use when I'm in my settings. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for CRM settings over here on the left-hand side. We'll click that, and we will scroll down until we see Require OTP Authentication for Signing the Contract Form. A lot of new dealers, new manufacturers, new clients of Sensei will have this automatically enabled. If you do not like it, simply check or uncheck the box and make sure you click Save below that your changes are saved. Guys, that's it. That's how quickly and easily you can take off or you can add the OTP password for your contracts in Sensei. We appreciate all the support we've gotten. Guys, if you need any other help with Sensei, check the link in the descriptions below. We have some links to some other videos to help you guys out. And until next time, we'll see you then. Thank you.